I was really flat on that. In fact, I had problem with varicose veins, and some right knee, some problem was there, and some problem with constipation. So within the first 2 days of the treatment, which included the massage and along with the medicines prescribed by our Dr. Diksha, so I started having relief. The relief was about 50% after 2 or 3 days. But now, after a completion of say 14 days, it's about 70 to 75% relief. Doctors' patience, listening to the different problems, and at the same time advising the motherly advice. In fact, though I am much elder to her, but the way she advises and the convincing part of it, it is really commendable. Also, whenever any problem occurs, we went to Neha Dabas, and she was also very humble and cooperative in everything. The staff, the therapists, though in the starting I was having Preeti, Kavita, who did my massage, the Potli massage and the Abhyam massage. It was really wonderful. In fact, a feeling of heaven. It was such a heavenly experience. So, I would advise all my friends and family members to definitely visit this center. Patient treatment, the patient hearing by the doctors, and the wonderful methods of massage definitely will cure everything. Any problem, you can tell them, they have a solution. So, all my senior citizens and even otherwise, the people of Delhi, I would advise to visit this center, Tatwa Center, which is located in Prashant Vihar. Thank you.
Thank you.